filming this because I have to share it with everyone so that they can finally see how I tie my crown. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now.
Totally generous, free woman, fearless. She's not afraid of anything. She doesn't run anybody's life. She's available for almost infinite love. If you need her, she'll deliver. And complete clarity about who she is. I think about my great-grandmother and her daughter and her daughter and all those women who had, incredible things happened to those people. They never knew from one day to the next. But they believed in their dignity, that they were people of value, that they had to pass that on, and they did it so that when I confront these sort of old 20th century problems, what could it be? They were just absolutely clear and absolutely reliable. And they had this sort of intimate relationship with God and death and all sorts of things that strike fear into the modern heart. They had a language for it. And they had a blessedness maybe. But they seemed not to be fearful.